On the real line, some problems have no answer, like this one, x squared plus 1 equals 0. So we create something new, a number where I squared equals -1, and the line becomes a plane. A complex number is no longer just a value. It's a point in space. 3 plus 2i becomes a location. Addition is movement. Step once, then step again. Vectors combine into a new position. But multiplication transforms. It rotates and scales, turning numbers into motion. And here's the bridge, Euler's formula. Rotation becomes waves, cosine and sine unfolding from motion. Take the conjugate, and the number reflects, a mirror across the real axis. Magnitude measures distance, from the origin to the point. Length becomes meaning. Division reverses the change, rotate back, and shrink. Together, they form one system. Movement, rotation, and waves, all connected. And in the real world, signals, frequencies, and patterns all flow through complex numbers. In the end, complex numbers aren't just numbers. They are motion itself.